This is a Fortec 3.0, and this is a Fortec 2.0.
And today, they both get some mad upgrades.
Welcome back to 3x7 Outdoor. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. We're gonna put an upgraded servo into the Fortec 2.0, the Ford GT. It went out like 6 months ago.
Quite a ways back. We actually did a video and raced with it, and the servo was out. We've got some upgrades for both today. A heat sink and a fan to go on the new 3S Supra.
Brushless power, it's gonna be fast, so it's gonna heat up faster. So we're gonna need something to counter that.
Are the tires gonna hold up, or are they gonna blow apart?
Don't you love this? I don't love that.
You killed it!
What? You can fire me. Wait.
How in the world do you break a GT rubber? And let's get this baby pulled apart. Heat sinks, part 3458. They'll work on your Valenian motors, but this won't fit on a brushed motor. If you're trying to do that, it won't work. So here's that gorgeous heat sink.
Oh dang, that is gorgeous.
She's shiny. And there's a fan. You can just pop it on there and then it's ready to go. But in a prior video, I made my own heat sink paste, which I'll go get.
By the way, if we need like different, look at this clip. This one. It's like, that's not right.
Heat sink compound. Ooh, whichever one would you like to call it?
What exactly does the heat sink paste do for this?
It makes the heat sink. It helps transfer the heat from the motor to the heat sink more efficiently. And this is simply motor oil and zinc. That's probably good. And then I'll have to work this for a couple years.
Okay, so we got this and we've got this, and basically all you need to do is pop the pin right through there. Now, your pin ain't going nowhere. And I mean, I personally don't think it looks too ugly, especially if you have like a color that is the same as the body. And you see how when I stretch it here, you can see that it's like
voila,
cracked and stuff like that. So that's probably why it broke. There. Is your heat sink paste ready yet?
It's ready.
Well, that's like washed out.
Is that every bit enough?
Pretty much no, but that's fine. Here we go.
Because you gotta just mash it in. Once it's there, it's there.
It's there. See that heat sink paste gooping out? That's probably a good thing.
Now I didn't leave enough room for this to fit. Oh. There we go. That just fits in there. And then it comes with screws to screw it into the heat sink. One screw would really hold it on there. 2 screws would be better.
And there's no like actual spot. It just goes in between the little...
Yep, right in between the fins. It just
fins, yeah.
Now we just have to route the wire into the box.
How do you do that?
I just feel, I'm like, oh yeah, it's gonna go. Then it just kind of...
It just kind of, it does what? Oh, okay. That's cool.
It makes that noise.
There we go. No oil needed.
Wow. Pros.
Because we're pros. Look at that. Amazing. Like it's like not damaged at all or anything.
It's perfect. Brand new showroom condition.
I know, right?
Wrap.
What's behind you right there?
Oh look, it's 3x7 Outdoor.
Oh my gosh, no way. Look at those famous people in the background.
I'm gonna plug in a battery to see if the fan works, if I got it plugged in right. You ready for this? Uh-oh.
I thought I saw it working.
Oh yeah, she was working the whole time. It tricked me.
Anyway, guys, we have the upgraded Metal Gear Servo 2065X. I think we gotta take off the receiver box, and then we gotta take off all this, like the steering horns and everything, and then we're able to get to it.
I don't remember the part number, but these are by far superior to this one.
Gosh, it has the ratchet thing. I need that. Like,
it's a piece of junk, folks.
Not even the ratchet feature. If you're trying to get something tight, it'll like click and like not go tight.
Mm-hmm. So to repair those holes in the front, I glued in some Lexan, however you want to say it. And then I have to drill the holes out. Listen to that servo. Something's wrong there. Oh, wait a minute. That's a 2075 servo.
Yeah.
That's not the right servo. This is for a crawler.
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing, folks?
But we gotta do the, there we go.
Well, that one's garbage. What is wrong with that?
Not even. For some reason, we don't have a servo. I don't know where any servo.
For some reason, our brains farted and we thought that this was a servo. Just a little too small.
Like, this is like a little size difference. Anyway, what we would normally do, we don't have the servo right now, but we did order one. What we would
Where did we order it from?
We ordered it from offerhobby.com.
Oh, thanks, Dan.
What we would do basically is just take this out of channel 1, put a brand new one in there, and basically just like take it apart in reverse.
Then if we did have a new servo, I would be doing this right now to the wires.
This is an awesome thing, guys. This is like, we figured this out.
On our own. Can you believe it?
Yeah, it's epic.
Voila. Cram them inside.
You know how you like jam them in, like get in there? Look at that. Look at
Neat and tidy.
That like, all that wire would go in there. So this wasn't really a GT video.
The GT is a little out of commission for the moment. We did do this little thing.
Okay, yeah.
We put in new rubbers.
This heat sink thing is, yeah, look at that. Look at how strong that is in there.
And then I took the liberty of taking some of the extra screws and screwed this one down because these do fly off. I don't know if you've ever noticed that because they're just on there with a plastic little hook. So I stuck a screw down there and that one's staying put now too. The other thought would be nice to put adjustable turnbuckles on.
Oh yeah.
And sway bar kit.
Sway bar kit, definitely. Definitely should do that if you want to see that. Subscribe. And
what should I do to lower this down? Because we're going to be going faster now. I feel like we need to drop that baby down.
Well, you can take these out.
Oh, look at that. She went right down. Did you see that?
Look at that. That's pretty low to the ground, I would say.
How low can you go?
It's at 8.13 millimeters. Right,
and this is the stock ride height that it came with.
Without the spring spacers, it's 8.13. With them to 17.98. So you knock off about 9 millimeters off of there just by taking these off.
Just by popping these suckers out.
Pretty nice.
Let's close with a little footage of the Supra on the carpet track. Pop that lid. Is it easy? Is it hard?
Well, you got that a little bit off. There you go. Easy peasy. Jeez. Go. Oh, look at that. Tricks.
Shiny.
Oh, I found a servo. Oh.
That's the broken one.
2, 1, go. Jump it. Jeez. We didn't fix the 4GT and we upgraded the Supra.
We upgraded the Supra. She's ready to.
No, we did fix it. We fixed this.
We did a couple things.
We did this, and then we also did.
We gave it a new rubbers.
The Lexan on the body there.
It's productive.
Yeah, pretty productive.
Until we realized that we had the wrong servo.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Like, what the heck are we doing?
You were just like, put in that servo, and then I just agreed because.
Yep.
I agree to things.
Yep.
What? I shouldn't do that. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. As always, we premiere all our videos Sunday, 10:45 a.m. Central Time, and we'd love to see you there. So that's why you ring the bell, so you do not miss any of our uploads. You guys love the repair videos, so we're gonna keep doing them and then do a bunch of bashing videos and stuff like that too.
More sledgehammer videos.
More sledgehammer videos.
With that, guys,
We'll see you in the next video. 3x7 Outdoors signing out.
bye for now.